And then this guy's going to hand it off to Zach.
Second. You guys in second. Oh, yeah. You know what he reminds me of? You know Mama Ben
Zach just got it. Or he,
let's go, Dennis.
in the black.
Don't disappoint me.
Yeah, you better be a good
Come on, Zach. Oh, I thought Owen was running. Go, Dennis. Go, Dennis.
Nice, Zach. You might be able to beat me. You did good. Bull crap, you're fast. You're faster than I thought. Not like that fast, but you're fast.
But I was just holding like less than half of the fishes.
Girls, did you see your brother?
Yeah, you want any? Logan, you want any?
No, thank you, honey.
I got another one.
Right now?
That was fast. You look like someone else.
Really? Like Dad? All right.